Let's cultivate love and compassion for ourselves and others. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently repeat to yourself, "May I be happy, may I be well." Continue to breathe gently, repeating these phrases, "May I be happy, may I be well." Now, extend this loving kindness to others. Picture someone you care about and silently wish for their happiness and well-being. Repeat, "May you be happy, may you be well." Extend this wish to all beings everywhere, saying, "May all beings be happy, may all beings be well."